Hello and good evening. So welcome back. So tonight I'm going to do a video on my clematis. I'm going to show you how to take some cuttings. So now it is August. Yeah, beginning of August. It's been a really good season so far. So now's the time really. So people are going to be thinking, well, it's too hot, but no, it's not. Now's the time because they'll be coming all the way through to us till sort of probably next year. Now we can check on them late October, November, but really we're going to leave them until next spring. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple. You'll get a lot of joy out of this because clematis is one of those which you can never have too many. So and this isn't just for the Clematis montana, this will be for all clematises, the slightly woodier varieties anyway. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my trimming Clematis montana. So all I will do is, these are your leaf nodes all here. So this is where the plant produces all of its shoots from really. So you can see them just here. So what we want to do with these, this is about perfect to there. It's roughly about 1 inch from that leaf node there, and you'll make the cut just there. Okay, and then what you're going to do after that is you're going to take it just above the leaf node and then strip every leaf off bar one, bar your healthiest leaf. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that now, then I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll repeat the process. So this can be done with scissors, secateurs, a sharp knife, anything like that. So that's roughly about 1 inch. So I'll take off any old wood. I'm going to take off all leaves apart from one of the healthiest ones, or ones which I think is the healthiest one. So whatever you think is the way to go. And then I'm not going to cut it off just directly straight above. I'm going to go up just a few centimeters. Okay, and I'm going to sit that down there. Let me remove these. And that is it. That's all you're wanting to do. Okay, so you can go a couple of ways about this. You can use hormone rooting powder or rooting gel. Again, I don't, because I find that these plants have really enough hormone in them to get going. So what you want to do is take your cutting, place it into your pot, and then that goes all the way down. And if you can see that, it'll just touch the soil just there. Now I've just used ordinary garden soil. Okay, I haven't used anything special. Now you can use a potting mix, multi-purpose compost will do. Now I find that my nutrient level in the garden, and this has come from the garden, is quite low. So that's almost ideal for cutting. So it makes the plant roots go and search for the nutrients, so it will produce better. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that process. I'm going to make several more cuttings. I'm going to put them all in. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right, so you'll have to excuse the dirty bit of cardboard. That's what I do my potting on from time to time. So this is it. So it's roughly 1 inch cut at the bottom, a few centimeters on the top, and then just one single leaf left on. Okay, and that I've repeated the process. So out of that stem, with what's already in the pot, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll be very happy if I get half a dozen plants out of this. No reason why I shouldn't get all of them, but I'll be very happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the pot. So they go all the way down to the leaf node. It's almost like an anchor. We have the leaves facing out. This will hold all of them. There we go. Really important that the leaves don't touch. Purely for if one decides it's had enough, it doesn't want any more, then if everything's touching, you can take your whole collection with you. So I'm going to give that a good water now, and I'm going to show you another couple of tips how to house them over winter. So it's really important that you give it a really good water, because really you won't be giving another water for a fair few weeks, and that's purely down to you want to create an atmosphere within their growing environment, and you don't really want to break that environment. So give them a really good water. I'm going to show you a couple of different techniques to house them throughout the winter. Now, if it's one tip you take away from my gardening style, is these skewers, these barbecue skewers. Now, these are brilliant for loads of different jobs, but for this particular job, what we're going to do is we're going to put 4. We can go for 3. We'll go for 4 skewers just in there, and this will act as like a frame, if you like, ready for when you put a bag round. Now I'm actually going to put mine in the propagator, so I'm quite lucky. Something like that. So what you'll do is you'll put a clear bag over the top. You can even tape it round the base. Bag, tape it round the base. Then what you want to do, and this is the important thing, is leave it in the shade, in a shady spot in the garden. Now, so you occasionally, yes, you want to check on it. So every 2 weeks, something like that. It might need a top up of water. So what that's going to do in there is going to create its own atmosphere, and that's going to be perfect for germinating and creating all that root growth that you require. So like I say, it's August now. They're probably ready for sort of November, but they're not going to do anything over November. So if they're still nice and healthy, I'm going to leave them until spring, and then unearth them at spring. So hopefully that's going to be a nice unveiling video anyway. So that's that, guys. So I hope you found this useful. This is something I really enjoyed back in the day. Clematis being like not a tricky one, but you know, it's one of them that's you don't really know about. So hope you enjoyed it. So please like and subscribe. Lots more videos to come. Hopefully a couple of tropical tours coming up with a few people I'm collaborating with. So yeah, I'm really excited about those. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. So I hope you found this useful. This is something I really enjoyed back in the day. Clematis being like not a tricky one, but you know, it's one of them that's you don't really know about. So hope you enjoyed it. So please like and subscribe. Lots more videos to come. Hopefully a couple of tropical tours coming up with a few people I'm collaborating with. So yeah, I'm really excited about those. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.